Hey guys, so you can give a free gift with every purchase. Now, a lot of places do this badly. They do it with throttling. So what they tend to do is they say, "Oh, the purchase has to be over a certain amount of money." That can be detrimental to your business. If you just give someone something small whenever they have the purchase, that is a really good, really effective strategy. My most effective strategy with shops is giving people a free lolly with purchases. Not like an ice lolly, but just a cheap Chupa Chups type lolly. Because the thing is, people will bring their kids in for this kind of stuff because it's much easier, and they don't have to get the kid something else, because the kid will be used to, with the trained behavior thing, the kid will be used to getting the free lolly when they go to the shop. They'll want to go to the shop, and it gets a problem out of the way, which means that the parent doesn't have to buy the other thing. They're not really thinking about anything else. A free lolly has actually made a shop, actually, it's made several shops that have been really struggling. They've just turned their business around. And yeah, the lollies are practically frickin' free. So there's no reason not to give those kind of things. It's like, so giving an item for free to people, it's really good way of just getting people to come through the door. It is definitely something you should be trying with your business. It's like people do it with cocktails all the time. It's like I've seen like buy one get one free on cocktails. It's like cocktails make so much money anyway. It's not really like it's costing you anything. It's like they tend to do it with sort of like girls' nights, where you go in and all girls get like two cocktails for the price of one, something like that. It's just a really effective thing. It's like, I don't like throttling things in business. I think that's negative, because the more people come out and have fun, the better. And if you're doing something like cocktails and you're making money on it, even if you've got like get two for the price of one or whatever, you might as well do it, because you're still making profits. And you do things in the right way, you're going to make profit. But by having something free with every single purchase, it's like we've run things in the Italian and in other restaurants. We've given things like a free tiramisu when you order a starter and a main. I prefer to not have the starter and main thing. It's like free tiramisu with your meal. You know, it's like, that is one of the reasons that people rave about the tiramisu, because we took that off and people still buy it. They buy it all the time. You know, so it's one of those things where people really like the tiramisu now, so they'll come just for the tiramisu and the pizza. So when it comes down to it, it's a great way to get products out there, and it's a good way to also give samples out to people, because the thing is, that way they're paying for something, but they're getting a sample. So it's definitely worth considering. Anyway, catch you later.